Hello, welcome. After learning a pronunciation of pinyin, I believe every one of you have got a rough idea about Chinese language. Now, this is the time we promote to something more complicated. From this week, I will present lessons on daily conversation and handwritings in two separate playlists. Here, in this playlist, you will learn daily conversation. If you are interested in handwriting, please visit the playlist that is shown on the right-hand corner of the screen. If you face difficulties for pronunciation, please go back to the playlist of pinyin. Okay, let us start daily conversations. Lesson 1. Introduce yourself. 介绍你自己 Here, introduce, we say 介绍 You can see the pronunciation 介绍 And yourself, we say 你自己 We have learned 你自己 means self. So 介绍你自己 Introduce yourself.Actually, for the people's communication, the very important thing is the first meeting, and you need to learn how to introduce yourself, definitely. So usually the first question people is going to ask is, what's your name? Right? How are you going to say that in Chinese? 你叫什么名字 So here, what in Chinese grammar we put in the middle, not at the beginning. So we say, what is your name? Here it's 什么 means what. And your name is 名字 here.And your name, we don't say 你的名字 We learned your, right? Here we say 你叫什么名字你 is the subject 你叫什么名字 What's your name? So how are you going to answer that question? You say我的名字叫 Tom. Here, 我的 we have learned is mine, right? 名字 name. My name is Tom. 我的名字叫 Tom. Here, 叫 It appeared 2 times. It means call, means you can call me Tom. In Chinese, we say 叫 Let's repeat. What's your name? 你叫什么名字 My name is Tom. 我的名字叫 Tom.And you pay attention for Chinese writing, the last period is not a dot, but is a small circle here at the end of the sentence. 我的名字叫 Tom. This is not the only way you can answer this question. You can say also, 我的名字是 Tom. 是 means is.Or be, or am, you are. They all say 是. Also, you can ask the same question like, who are you? Maybe it's not very polite, but you can say something like that. Here, you know, 你 means you. 是谁 in Chinese. 你是谁? Who are you? So it's totally opposite order like in English. We put the subject always at the beginning of the sentence. 你是谁? So who, we say 谁. Then you can directly answer with the same order. 我是 Tom. Okay, you can say I'm Tom. 我是 Tom. This is the word we have learned in our pinyin playlist. 你 means you. 我 means I. Or you can use the same word in the last slide. You say 我叫 Tom. 叫 means I was named. I was called as Tom. 我叫 Tom. Then the second question people usually ask, where are you from? Or where do you come from? Here, where, in Chinese we say 哪里, where. Lai means come, right? And from means 从. So this combination, from where? From. You say, where are you from? Or where do you come from? 你从哪里来? So the verb is here. 哪里, the question is here in the middle of the sentence. Again, the subject is always at the beginning of the sentence. You can directly input the place you came from here in the middle of the sentence. Say, 我从美国来. I come from America. Or the United States. 美国 means the United States. 我从美国来. It is relatively simple for you to remember the places is in the middle of the sentence. You ask or you answer are in the same order, not like in English. So the subject is always at the beginning of the sentence. 你从哪里来? 我从美国来. Or you can say, I came from USA. 我来自美国. So this order is exactly like something you say in English. I, 我 come, 来 from, 自 and USA, 美国. 我来自美国. Or somebody like to answer like, I'm an American, means I came from US. You can say, 我是美国人. You see, the US or the United States of America, we say 美国. We have learned 国 means country. And Chinese name 美国. So actually the original translation is from American. It has the pronunciation like a May. So we start translate the United States of America as 美国. And here, 人, I believe you remember, we learned this in pinyin part, means human, person. So you add a 人 after the name of the country. 美国人 means you're an American. 我是美国人. And we know Chinese, 中国人, or China, 中国. So we say, I'm a Chinese. You say, 我是 中国人，中国. So you combine the name of the country with 人 with a person, means you are a person from this country. 我来自美国，我是美国人。The third question probably people will ask, what are you doing here? Or why do you come here? 你为什么来这里? So here 你 means you. 为什么 is why. 为什么? Again, if you pay attention, this question is not at the beginning of the sentence like in English, but after the subject. The subject is always at the beginning of the sentence, no matter is for telling something or for asking question. 来 is come, be learned. Here, 这里. 你为什么来这里? Why do you come here? What are you doing here? What is your job here? 我来学习. We learn in pinyin part. 学习 means study. I come here for studying. 我来学习. Or you can say, I come here to work. 我来工作. Or I come here just for a trip, for traveling. 我来旅游. These are the new words I introduced in this lesson. Probably it's going to be useful for you if you really work or travel in China. 工作 work. 旅游 traveling. Alright, in the last slide, I would like to introduce two new words for you. The first one is 谢谢. It means thanks. If you want to say thank you, you say 谢谢你. You put 你 after this word. 谢谢. The next one is 再见, means see you later, goodbye. Okay, this is all the content for this video. Thank you for watching. As I mentioned before, from this week, there will be two parallel playlists presented, means two classes in 1 week. One is daily conversation. The second one is handwriting. If you're interested in handwriting, please go visit that. You can see the link here on the screen. And if you have problem for pronunciation, please go back to the playlist of pinyin. The link is here on the screen. Thank you so much. 谢谢，再见，bye.